In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Grammarly AI for professional document editing. We'll walk through a simple workflow you can reuse for reports, proposals, and any high-stakes document. Start by opening Grammarly in your browser. On the home screen, you'll see options to begin from scratch or bring in an existing file. If you already have text in Word or Google Docs, uploading is convenient, but to demonstrate the tools clearly, choose New Doc so we're working with a blank canvas. At the top of the page, add a clear descriptive title. A specific title keeps your workspace organized and helps you stay focused on the purpose of the document. Now move into the main editor and add your content. You can paste text you've drafted elsewhere or type directly here. As you write, you'll notice real-time underlines for spelling, grammar, and clarity. These are quick wins you can accept or dismiss as you go. To go beyond basic checks, open AI Chat from the left sidebar. This panel lets you ask for targeted help without leaving your document. Type a short prompt describing what you need, tighten the introduction, smooth transitions, or adjust tone for executives, and the assistant will respond in context. From within the chat, select the Grammarly proofreader to fix or improve the writing. It surfaces suggestions for correctness, conciseness, and consistency. Work through the items one at a time, click to apply a change, open the explanation to learn why it's recommended, or skip anything that doesn't match your intent. Keep an eye on key terms, dates, and names so meaning stays accurate. Next, choose the paraphraser for rewriting. Highlight a sentence or paragraph that feels wordy or repetitive and let the tool propose alternative phrasings. Compare options, then insert the version that preserves your message while improving flow. If the result is close but not quite right, ask the chat to refine it further. For example, make it more direct or simplify the language. Before you wrap up, adjust the writing style controls to match your audience. Set tone and formality, formal for detailed reports, neutral for internal updates, or confident for client-facing proposals. These settings guide Grammarly's suggestions so your voice stays consistent from start to finish. As a final pass, read changes in full context, prioritizing clarity and accuracy over aggressive trimming. Accept what strengthens the document and leave what doesn't. That's the process. Open Grammarly, create a new doc, add your title and text, use AI chat with the proofreader and paraphraser, and tune the style to deliver a polished, professional result.